Welcome to the fifth video of section 3.1. Listed below, you'll see a number of toolkit functions or library functions. And what that means is that these are our basic functions, which many equations are built off of. For instance, if we take a look at the constant function, where f of x equals some constant, that will always be a horizontal line. The only thing that might change is the value of c. You could have any number in there, 2, 5, -3. Moving on to the next function, the identity function, f of x equals x, or y equals x, that will always be a line. We might have different forms of this, like y equals x plus 2, or y equals x minus 8, but this will always be a line. We have the absolute function, absolute value function, where the f of x equals the absolute value of x. Notice the absolute value graph. It looks like a V. Sometimes it will be narrow or much wider. Sometimes it might open downwards, but our absolute value function looks something like this. Quadratic is some sort of a parabola. Our cubic takes on some type of form like so. We have our reciprocal function. Notice we have a vertical asymptote through x equals 0, and we have a horizontal asymptote through y equals 0. We have the reciprocal squared. This time, both parts of our graph exist above the x-axis. And here's another common function, our square root function. Try to become familiar with what a square root function looks like, and our cubed root function. So this is a helpful page to come back to if ever you're trying to familiarize yourself with some of our toolkit functions. And that's the end of our fifth video for section 3.1.